Now?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Auntie Babes. Hi, Uncle Tony. I'm going to see you in 2 weeks.
Who are you gonna see in 2 weeks?
You and Uncle Tony. Bye-bye. In 2 weeks. Bye-bye.
How are they gonna get here?
You can go from the airplane.
Oh, Uncle Tony too, or Auntie Babs?
Auntie Babs.
Can Uncle Tony come too?
Can Uncle Tony come too?
I don't know. I'm asking you.
Yeah.
Uncle Tony too?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell Auntie Babs, don't forget Uncle Tony.
Don't forget Uncle Tony.
And tell her put him in her suitcase.
Put him in your suitcase.
Okay, say bye.
Bye. Now take a video of me, Mama.